are the leading women's-only fitness brand and have been operating for 30 years. Our fully serviced women-only gym provides a supportive network and a community feel for our members. The main reason we were changing over to a digital solution is because we were losing keys on a regular basis. We'd have 2 keys for each locker and the 2 keys would go missing, so eventually we were changing the locker barrel as well. And this becomes quite expensive, so the alternative solution was going for a digital locker instead.
So Fernwood were looking for a solution to their locker locks. Currently their locker locks were an old key cam lock type system, and they were having a lot of problems with the fact that the keys were breaking off in the locks, they were losing the keys, or the members would take the keys with them, or a foreign object might get into the cylinder where the key goes in, which meant that they would have to get a locksmith out to fix up that particular locker lock. At the time we didn't have anything available, so I was talking to our product management team, and through our group companies we found one in Asia that had a solution, Unilock, who specifically make locker lock type products. Got in touch with them, they had a product available, we got the samples sent over, and they were absolutely perfect for this particular situation.
There were 2 main reasons the digital cam lock stood out from the other products I'd reviewed at the time. The first one was you didn't have to remove the whole lock from the locker door to replace the battery. And the second one was that the cam lock came with a USB battery backup that we could use, which would allow us to open the locker when the batteries actually went flat. We were concerned how the members would actually cope with transferring over to something new, but seeing that the lockers are so easy to use, we didn't have any problem. When people don't complain, you know that you've hit a winner. And the only issue we ever have is that a person's forgotten their 4-digit PIN, but that's okay. All staff know the override code, so we just come into the bathroom, plug in the override code, and the member gets their belongings, so that's no problem at all either. Steve would be on call all the time for us, which is great. We haven't had one problem. We haven't had a battery go flat yet, so we've had the system in for about 9 months. And we probably should get somewhere between 1 year and 2 years out of each battery that was put in. So we haven't even used the USB backup support, but it's good to know that we've got that ability to use it when necessary. I definitely recommend ASSA ABLOY. We haven't had any problems with them at all with the locks, they're great. I've had a few franchisees actually come out and have a look at the club since it's been renovated. They've had a look at the locks. Not only are they easy to use, but they look good as well. So I've recommended them to other franchisees within the network.